Zero Trust architecture represents a fundamental shift in how we approach security in cloud environments. The core philosophy is simple yet powerful: never trust, always verify. This modern security model challenges the traditional assumptions about network security and provides a more robust framework for protecting cloud resources. Traditional security models follow what's called the castle and moat approach. This assumes that everything inside your network perimeter is safe and trustworthy, while everything outside is dangerous. However, this model fails dramatically in cloud environments. Once an attacker breaches the perimeter, they gain unrestricted lateral movement across your entire infrastructure, allowing them to move freely between systems and access sensitive data. The foundation of Zero Trust is built on a single powerful principle: never trust, always verify. This means we assume that a breach has already occurred or could occur at any moment. Every request, regardless of where it comes from or who initiated it, must be verified. There are no trusted zones, no trusted users, and no trusted devices by default. Zero Trust is supported by 4 essential pillars. First, verify explicitly by using all available data points for authentication and authorization decisions. Second, implement least privilege access, granting only the minimum permissions needed for specific tasks. Third, assume breach by minimizing the blast radius and segmenting access continuously. Fourth, maintain continuous validation by monitoring and verifying every access request in real time. Together, these pillars create a comprehensive security framework. In Zero Trust, identity becomes the primary control plane for security decisions. This starts with strong authentication using multi-factor authentication and passwordless methods for all users and devices. We also verify device trust by checking device health, compliance status, and security posture before granting access. Finally, context-aware access considers factors like location, time, behavior patterns, and risk signals for every single request, ensuring that access decisions are made based on comprehensive information. Micro-segmentation is a critical strategy in Zero Trust that divides your network into small, isolated segments with granular security controls between each zone. For example, database servers can only be accessed by specific application servers, not by the entire network. This approach severely limits lateral movement. Even if attackers successfully breach one segment, they cannot freely move to other segments without reauthentication and reauthorization, effectively containing the damage. Several key technologies enable Zero Trust implementation. Software-defined perimeter, or SDP, creates invisible infrastructure that's only accessible after proper authentication. Identity and Access Management, or IAM, provides centralized control for user identities, permissions, and access policies across your entire environment. Security Information and Event Management, or SIEM, enables continuous monitoring and threat detection across all systems, giving you real-time visibility into potential security incidents. Let's look at a practical example using an AWS IAM policy with conditions. This policy allows get object actions on an S3 bucket containing sensitive data, but only under specific conditions. The request must originate from a specific IP address range, use secure transport with TLS encryption, and the user must have multi-factor authentication enabled. This demonstrates how Zero Trust policies combine multiple verification factors to make access decisions. Implementing Zero Trust does come with challenges. Legacy systems and integration pose significant hurdles, as older applications may lack support for modern authentication methods and segmentation capabilities. This increases complexity during Zero Trust migration. A practical approach is to start with new cloud-native workloads where Zero Trust is easier to implement, then gradually phase legacy systems under Zero Trust protection as your capabilities and expertise mature. Zero Trust delivers substantial benefits to organizations. It reduces your attack surface by minimizing exposure through hidden infrastructure and strict access controls. It provides improved visibility with comprehensive monitoring of all access attempts and user behavior. It enables faster threat detection through real-time analysis of anomalous activities. Finally, it helps achieve regulatory compliance by providing granular access controls and detailed audit trails that meet various security standards and regulations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.